Hello, this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. I'm going to continue my journey in my memory keeping book for my daughter. This is the book for her from 5 years till 10 years old. And I'm going to document this fun photos of her playing in the snow when we went to visit my husband's parents in England a few years back. I'm mostly using the Megan kit. That 6x6 page is the Megan kit from the Megan kit, and the blue, sort of soft blue with the scallop is from the Lola kit, which I bought a printable, the Lola printable. I'm just playing around. I've got these cute little snowflakes, which I just bought at a local craft shop. I've got at the end I didn't use that little snowman, but I was thinking of using it. So I pulled some various ephemera from the Felicity Jane stash I have. But as I said, I'm going to put that little snowflake also in because I thought it'd be fun seeing that it is photos which he played in the snow. Yes, about 9, 10 years ago, we went to visit my husband's parents in England, and it was one of the coldest winters in England, and it snowed so much. Unfortunately, only after Christmas, so we never got a white Christmas, but it was still lovely experiencing the snow. And if you come from South Africa, you know exactly what I'm talking about. We never see snow, or we just see it up in the mountains. We never get to it, so it was quite an experience having this masses of snow, and was totally waking up the one morning with this winter wonderland. And they live in this beautiful Cotswolds town in England, which is a beautiful area in England, and it was just like a little dream land. So it was absolutely beautiful. It was wonderful to experience that. So I've cut the blue papers from the Lola kit with the scallops to size as I wanted it, and the pink polka dot. As I said, this is my most favorite combination, pink polka dots and light blue. I love the Lola kit. It's just one of my favorite ones. But the Megan kit, I must say, is also very closely second. So I was happy to be able to buy the printables from the Lola kit, and I was happy to get the Megan ones. Hopefully that will eventually also get to the digital side of the Felicity Jane. So I've just decided to use some doilies at the background just to bring some interest to the page. I've got this beautiful light blue doily and the white one. The light blue is not 100% the same color as the light blue paper, but I thought it will work very nice. Yeah, I've just made a little bit of a mistake because I wanted to have the scallop edges in a different direction, and I've unfortunately cut it sort of the same way. I debated to maybe taking the big photo off again, but then I thought, no, I'll just more work around it and put that scallop piece to the other side and not to the bottom. And then I wanted to just put a little bit more of that pink cardstock at the bottom, but it wasn't long enough, so I've decided just to cut it the same size so I can tuck it underneath. In hindsight, I don't think it was really necessary, but yeah, I just wanted to bring a little bit more pink on that side also. And I definitely didn't want it to waste the cardstock, because I think you get 2 6x6 cards of each design in the 6x6 packs. And yeah, I've already now used that one. I definitely didn't want to waste some of those beautiful polka dot pinks. So I'm putting this fun snowflakes on it, which I just bought at the local craft shop, and I thought it will work perfectly, seeing that it is a snow layout and it's all to do with snow, and I'm not going to have many opportunities to document snow photos, so I thought I must definitely make use of it. And there's so much fun in her face and laughter, and we made a big snowman and built the igloo and everything. It was beautiful. So first of all, I thought I'm going to put 4 snowflakes on each page, but then I thought it might be a little bit of an overkill. I'm going to just stick to 2 snowflakes, and I've just secured that with sort of a little foam square. I don't know how long it's going to last, but hopefully it will stay stuck on. So yeah, this is also beautiful hearts. It's got a silvery gold shimmer on the hearts, and I've decided to use that also to bring the sparkle of the snowflakes. Or this whole art is just, it's just sparkly to me, the snowflakes and the beautiful white photo with the red coat she has on. That blue heart is also part of the Lola printable, so I've just printed that out. And actually, it's nice with the printables because you can make it various sizes. You can make big hearts, small hearts. So yeah, you can suit it as you want. So I've just print that out and put it on. I'm playing around with that acetate enjoy piece. At the end, I don't use it because I didn't really know how to secure it, because I didn't want to staple it, because that will damage my other layout. So I've decided not to use that. I've got this precious sign which I just brought into the screen just now, and I'm going to end up using that because I thought it works perfectly with the snow layout, this white precious word. And I'm also thinking now I'm moving on to a next book, which is her 10 to 15-year-old. She's turning 16 soon. And then I thought this precious word is maybe a little bit too childlike for that layout. So I think I must use this precious word now, and I think it works perfectly because, as I said, the white sparkling on the precious picks up nice with the snow and the whiteness of the photo. So I think it worked out perfectly at the end. I'm just swapping over this hearts because I thought that the big heart on that side of the layout with the big word, it's a bit too heavy, so I've decided to swap it over and put rather the small heart on that layout, and the bigger on that side of the layout, and the bigger heart on the left hand side. I'm just tucking some tags here. One says remember this, and that says good time. That's some word fetty, which I'm just going to put sort of at the edge of that where the two papers connect. Decide to use the word happy at the other side of the layout. And here I'm just using some more of that beautiful puffy stickers, which I think also comes with the Megan kit. I love those puffy stickers. So I'm putting one at the top hand of that tag, and then on the other side I put it on the left hand, so it's just to balance it out a little bit. Also decided to put the words on foam tags just to pop it up a little bit and just bring some dimension in it to make it a bit interesting. So yeah, I'm just putting the word precious down. I'm fiddling a little bit with it. Eventually I'm getting it straight. I was worried that I'm going to break it, but it works out nicely. Yeah, I'm just going to put some word fetty, some more word fetty there, which I bought from the local craft shop. I hope you enjoyed this layout. If you did, please press that like button. I really would appreciate it. And if you want to see more of these type of layouts, I would really appreciate it if you can subscribe. Yes, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much for taking the time out to watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. I know we're all short of time. So I feel very honored that you spend time with me just to enjoy this journey. See you soon. Bye-bye.